Today's video is regarding Mebo ointment, which is used for the treatment of wounds, cuts, burns, and skin irritations. It is known for its natural ingredients that promote healing and protect the skin. Mebo contains beta-sitosterol, beeswax, herbal extracts, all of them working together to provide antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, skin healing, soothing irritation, and providing skin hydration. Let's see uses of Mebo ointment. Burn treatment. Effective for first and second degree burns, reducing pain, and promoting faster healing. Wounds. Supports the healing of cuts, abrasions, and other skin injuries. Skin irritations. Used for conditions like eczema and dermatitis. Scar management. Can help improve the appearance of scars over time. Let's see how to use Mebo ointment. Clean the area. Before applying, ensure the affected area is clean and dry. Apply generously. Use a sufficient amount of ointment to cover the wound or burn. Put the ointment 3 to 4 times daily when leaving the area exposed, or twice a day if a bandage is placed. Note: Mebo is not recommended for deep or infected wounds without medical advice. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Side effects for Mebo include skin irritation, redness or rash, burning or stinging sensation. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.